Hello दोस्तों, welcome my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. My dear friends, so today tell about the new project of Gate Live Farmigate FRAG. Welcome to all of you my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. तो दोस्तों आज हम बात करेंगे गेट लाइव के न्यू प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में। उसका रिव्यू दूंगा आपको ए टू जेड, उसके बारे में गाइड करूंगा। सो मेरे साथ बने रहिएगा एंड तक दोस्तों। वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। Welcome to all of you. Welcome, my dear Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much. So, Gate Live Candy Drop FRAG प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू है जिसके बारे में बताऊंगा। गेट लॉन्च पूल न्यूली एडेड फ्रॉग मैट्रिक फ्रॉग स्टेक BTC frog to earn rewards deliver in real time. Frog metric frog will launch on Gate launch pool stake BTC frog to earn frog token rewards every hour. Airdrop details staking periods July 1, 2025 at 12 a.m. July 9, 2025 12 a.m. UTC. Total staking reward is 7 750 point triple zero frog. So stake to earn. Thank you so much. Hi Crypto MacBook, Crypto Princess, welcome. Crypto MacBook, welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear friends. So आज हम बात कर रहे हैं गेट लाइव के न्यू प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में। सो मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा माय डियर ऑल फ्रेंड्स। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच। तो उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक हो। सो स्ट्रीक टू अर्न। So this is the official page of Frog, FRAG, Frog. So you can see the two poll of this project. Number one is BTC pool. Total staking reward 500.000 FRAG. Frog participant is 1.842. Token stake is BTC. Price pool hourly cap is 2.604.16 Frog. Mining period is 8 days. Individual hourly reward cap 182.29 frog. Total staking is 1.793.57935456 BTC. APR is 1.56%. So click to stake button. You can stake now on minimum 0.000001 BTC to stake now. So second pool is Frog official pool. Thank you so much. वालेकुम अस्सलाम। क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस कैसी हैं आप? ठीक हैं, उम्मीद है खैरियत से होंगी। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। हाउ आर यू क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। So total staking reward is 250.000 frog. Participant is 3.113. Token stake frog. Price pool hourly cap is 1.302.08 frog. Mining period is 8 days. Individual hourly reward cap 169.27 frog. FRAG. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear friends. Thank you so much Crypto Princess. Total staking 21.31573 0.72 frog. APR is 17.52%. So click to stake now. You can stake now. So I have already 0.19 frog. So minimum one frog to stake now. So this is the official page of this website project. Welcome Liying, welcome Tree. Crypto Princess, thank you so much. Keep it up, my friends. You are born for this. Respected. Thank you so much for the lovely comments. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess, for joining live stream and beautiful comments. Thank you so much. Hello, Biba, my dear. Thank you so much for joining. Hello, Biba. So proud to see you live again. Always supporting you from the heart. Thank you so much. I know, my dear, you support me always. Thank you so much, Crypto for Princess. So hello Biba, how are you Biba? Welcome my dear Biba. Thank you so much for joining live stream. You always support me Biba. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the official website of this project Frog. Frog Metric. Stake twins are removed. So total value locked is 301.492.627.12. So this is a restake. Welcome to the restaking stations. Wallet is, you can see the all wallet. Binance wallet restaking Frog Soul with the Binance wallet and an exclusive reward. This is all wallet. You can see the four wallets of restaking: Frog Soul, Frog GTO, Frog BTC, Frog. You can see the all Frog, my dear friends. So now go to the unstake. Unstake at the station to the withdraw principal. You can see the unstake principal, enter amount, receive, and the connect wallet. Welcome and thank you so much for joining. So this is a FAQ, my dear friends. So how to unstake work? To unstake your Frog Soul and receive Soul simple. Follow this two step. Unstake, follow Soul at the station. Begin by the entire the unstaking processing at the station. Please note that once stake start this action cannot be received withdraw soul from the withdraw pool. After the unstake is complete, you will able to the withdraw your soul from the withdraw pool. During the process, your frog soul is underrated from restaking and unstake from the LST period, and you will receive your soul back. So number two, how long it takes to unstake. Thank you so much. Usman Ali, welcome. Welcome Shakura. Welcome ZX Franklin. So unstaking your frog soul. Typical take up to the three aspects which is the approximately 6 days. Here this process. Number one, unjetable gate LST from the node operator takes about one speech. Number second, retrieve LST from the J2 wallets take about space unstake lets from the LST period another speech period the wherever rule the your soul. Welcome Hiba. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So finally हिबा ने ज्वाइन कर लिया. थैंक यू सो मच हिबा, आपका ही वेट था. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. बीबा, thank you so much for supporting. How are you Biba, my dear? So Biba, Hiba is a good streamer. He also join me every time. Thank you so much Biba. Thank you so much my dear. Thank you so much for joining live streamer. Welcome Muhammad Saad. So everyone support Hiba, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. All of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dearest friends. Thank you so much. So frog के FAQ बता रहा हूँ आपको दोस्तों. So prepare the withdraw pool for the soul. Deposit the 6 days period will be ensure your funds are protect and the secure for the entire unstaking process. Why receive an assets amounts differs. The estimate amounts of soul you receive it calculate based on the network condition at the time you are inducted unstaking during the integrations and unstake from the LST periods. Factors like staking rewards, fees or market factors fluctuations can affect the final amounts as a result and the amount fluctuation. The actual soul you receive may differ signs from the entire estimate. We strive to keep this reference minimum, but some variation is normal due to the dynamic nature of the network. So now go to the rewards. So this is a reward, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much, my dear Hiba. How are you, my dear? Thank you so much for joining. Welcome, Hiba. How are you? Thank you so much. So rewards. Hold Farmigate's assets to receive rewards in Farmigate's way. You can see the connect the wallet and you can join the. So DeFi. Navigate the DeFi universe boost by the Farmigate. Walmart. So this is a Walmart it now. Convert your tokens and unlock the DeFi. Expands, Theoran, Circino. You can see the all of looping, leading, liquidity. So now go to the war up. War up your tokens to top into diverse DeFi universe. War up on war. You can see the all war up. So what is the W soul? Warp frog. Warp soul warping is the warping version of the built on the new stand that follow the Discord. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much, my dear all friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the frog. Stake your frog. Turn your frog into the frog and the part of the frog metric next chapter by staking and holding your right yourself into your shared chart history. You can see the beautiful picture of this. So frog calculate supply 202.000.000, frog price 0.06, so 57.05, frog estimate APA, so 17.7 to 1.261. Staking frog, frog position. Thank you so much, my dear crypto princess again. So crypto princess बाकी भी दोस्त यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं. Crypto champion, crypto बीबा, हिबा एंड थैंक यू सो मच. हिबा किधर चली गई हैं आप? एक मैसेज करने के बाद गायब. क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. वालेकुम अस्सलाम क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. Thank you so much for joining live stream, Crypto Princess, for the best comments. Every time I watch your live is feel better than before. True growth. So Crypto Princess, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the humble comments. May Allah bless your efforts, prides your faith, and turn every struggles into strength. Keep shining your light, reach more heart than you know. Thank you so much for the beautiful comments, my dear Crypto Princess. Thank you so much. Always keep you shining. Thank you so much for joining live stream and the beautiful comments again and again, my dear. So you can see the frog, your voice, your community, or futures. So number 1 points built by the believers. Staking frog into frog Italy, you are with the community shopping. Formatting vision and driving calculative growth. Formatting vote. Token frog to holders receive formatting votes. Tokens FVT to propose innovative vote for the discussions and the lead community governors. Earn more with the frog. Staking frog to the Unfrog APA and boost your points, rewarding your active community to Frog Metric. Thank you so much, Biba, for the wishes. God bless you. Same to you, my dear. God bless you, Biba, and your family. Biba, thank you so much for joining my live stream. You always support me to join my live stream. Welcome, ATAC B123. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, my dear. Crypto Princess, Crypto Champion, you are most welcome. Stay happy, stay blessed, always here. Need anything. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. So this is for you, Crypto Princess, for the beautiful comments. Thanks, bro. Welcome, Munghai, my dear friends. Thank you so much, Munghai. So now go to the next one. Formigators. Liquid staking. You can see the beautiful sides of this project, my dear. This is a website. So this is a startup website. Beautiful crafts, beautiful design. You can see the, my dear, liquidity staking on Solana. Formatting for Frogmetric introduced restaking based on security finance to the Solana thought, liquidity restaking and the yard optimizations. So number two, you can see the beautiful design for this website. This is a website for the unique website of this. Thank you so much, my my dear, for joining my live stream. Hey Biba, Crypto Princess, thank you so much for joining. So restake, unlock the full potential of your stake. Solana by leveraging it the IaaS crypto economic security across multi-protocol. So number three, you can see the again beautiful design of this website. Frog Soul. Maximize your revenue potential within the Solana restaking ecosystem with the Frog Soul, which offers optimized revenue sharing for restaking protocols. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much. So now go to the blog, my dear. This is a blog, Formatic blog. Formatic introduced restaking based security finance to the Solana. Thought liquidity restaking and yard optimize. So this is a all blog for this frog. You can see, my dear, announcing frog token, advising the future of why frog BTC now is live on Camino liquidity wallet. Introduced frog BTC, the first native yardly, announcing on strategic round LED Rockway, announcing your community round. Pragmatic is the integrate as the exclusive art VRT. So Pump Fun Meme Coins, their next move after the begin of the Taffy journey, Camino Orca announcing the 7 million seed round LED phase 2 Prog GTO and the enhanced usability of phase 1 Cap 3 is going live soon. Frog news to our predictions market. Welcome and thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Wolf One, Saden, my dear friends. So Crypto Princess, welcome back. Thank you so much again. Join Crypto Princess. So Biba, thank you so much for joining and comments me. Thank you so much, my dear Biba, for joining my live stream. And again comments. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Biba, my dear, thank you so much. So you also great friends. Biba, thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much, Biba, for your support and joining my live stream. Biba, thank you so much, Biba, for your support. Welcome. Thank you so much, Sid, and welcome, Wolf One. Thank you so much again. So I have read now for the first one blog because it's a so announcing Frog tokens advising the future of restaking on Solana formatting. You can see the Pragmatic Foundation website for the beautiful design and thank you so much new name and I am anonymous no name. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Formatic began its journey in October 2024 with the focus mission to accelerate the decolonization of Solana while ensuring that all participating in this restaking ecosystem benefits. Thank you so much. So Crypto Miss कहाँ है? Crypto Princess. Today the Pragmatic Foundation is placed to the share the upcoming launch of the Frog tokens, marking a key milestone in the evolutions of the pragmatic protocols. The Frog token will serve as a foundation mechanism of the empowering community members to direct influence both governors and the strategic directions of the professional protocol. Pragmatic has been in strong transition within the Solana ecosystem with over 300 million in total value lockets (TVL) and more than 80,000 unique participants. Frog Soul stand as the largest and fastest growing liquidity risk-taking token (LRT) on Solana. Partners on the journey. The Frogmatic protocol's innovations assets stand Frog 22 enables the seamless onboarding on the diverse LST into G2, restaking this including the integrations of LST owned by a public list company making a first among liquidity risk-taking token protocol on Solana. In addition, by leveraging on a Frog 22 core futures versus real-time multi-rewards distribution, Frogmatic has established exclusive partnership with the Node Consensus Network (NAC), including switchboards on Pig Network. On board B and Sol, BB Sol, GUP Sol, ROS Sol, DFDAV Sol in G2, restaking exclusive NSC partnership with the Swissboard and Ping network, integrate with the Solana leading DeFi protocol, including Orca, Camino, Lobscos, Redax, Expanded, and the many more. Supporting by community from day one, Formatic has growing alongside is true. Thank you so much, Discovery, my brother, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you. Supporting by the community from day one and Farmagate as growing alongside its user. We have growing community. The name of Sang Solana Network Guard and Deposits began a liquidity risk-taking protocol. One Farmagate both based on deposit with a successful purchase on the Vibrate community guaranteed real networks effort system. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream. Hi, brother. How are you, my dear? Discovery, thank you so much for joining live stream. How are you, Discovery, my brother? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Good to see you. Now I am very happy to you to join my live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear brother, for joining my live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the white paper of this project. Welcome to the Frog Matrix. Stake twins, stake more. You can see the website and design. Thank you so much for joining. So I have tell about the full project, my dear. Thank you so much. I am fine, and you? I am also good, my dear. Thank you so much for joining and supporting me, my dear. Good to see you, my dear, to join my live stream. So your all friend is here, my dear. Discovery, Crypto Princess, Biba, Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much. Good to see you, my dear, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. I am fine, and thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the next one. Overview. Pragmatic began as Solana first native liquidity restaking protocol and evolved into the advanced Frog 22 assets management stand. This new standard shamelesses introduces multi-assets deposit prices rewards distribution and materially scoring. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So deposit, press reward distribution and materially scoring, empowering both the developers and the user to effortlessly access separate DeFi strategic. Leveraging Solana token extension Frog 22 provides transparent real-time reward tracking and the superior liquidity management, which clearly defended operational rules and secure protocol. Pragmatic sets a benchmark from the compatibility, scalability, and the user experience with the Solana ecosystem. Welcome, Leo Messi. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome, my brother Crypto. I thank you so much for joining. थैंक यू सो मच ऑलवेज वेलकम माय डियर थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो भाई अभी आपको ही याद किया जा रहा था और आप हाजिर हो गए आप आए बाहर आए क्रिप्टो भाई आ गए थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो भाई फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम क्रिप्टो भाई आप आ गए बाकी सारे फ्रेंड्स बेहोश हो गए हैं डिस्कवरी हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं बहुत ही कमाल के सपोर्टर हैं रिवॉर्ड ट्रैकिंग एंड सुपीरियर लिक्विडिटी मैनेजमेंट विद द क्लियरली डिफेंस operational rules and secure protocol formatting it set a benchmark bronze compatibility, scalability, and user experience with the Solana ecosystem. Pragmatic missions is to build a secure, transparent, and the highly efficient assets management infrastructures that empower user and enhance the stability of Solana finance and security ecosystem. So stake twins, stake more. So this is the official website for I can see you, my dear friend. This is a Discord for the link, and this is a Twitter link. So you can join the all social link. So a quick link is Frog Assets, Frog Metric Protocol Guides, and Brand Kit. So developers, for developers, view the developers tools and integrations guides. So what is SANG? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. My dear Crypto I am good Crypto Thank you so much for joining live stream. And how about you, Crypto Good to see you. My dear Crypto how about you? Thank you so much for joining live stream, Crypto Welcome, my dear. Welcome. Minghan, welcome. Gate user, welcome. UID, welcome. Kaya 007. So this is a beautiful picture of SANG. You can see the cute picture of this future, my dear. F and SNAG. This is a SANG is abbreviations for Solana Network Guard and is referred to the our community members who restake their tokens using Pragmatic by becoming a SANG. You become more than just a user. You become a protect of the Solana ecosystem, contribute to the security and enhancements of both off-chain and off-chain service. But here cool facts or co-founder name is also SANG Sang. He embodies the spirits of Sang by the leading or participating as a full member of community. This means that when you join use a Sang, you will working alongside or co-founder to protect and grow this Solana network. By joining Sang, you are doing more than just protecting your own assets. You are actively contributing to the growth and protections of the inter-Solana ecosystem. We contribute our research developments, new solution, and launch innovations product such as NCN, AVSS, or collaborative efforts ensure that Solana remains decarbonization, trustworthy, and continues to the tariff. Estimators, anyone can join the Pragmatic at the some level as or co-founder by the joining the rule of Sang. We are all working together to protect and expand to the Solana ecosystem. We love from your join us participating in Formigate makes you a part of the community that drives Solana forward. Hello, my dear Shining Moon. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, welcome, Shining Moon. How are you, Shining Moon? Thank you so much for joining live stream. So, Shining Moon ने भी हमें फाइनली ज्वाइन कर लिया है। बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है शाइनिंग मून आपको भी लाइव स्ट्रीम में देखकर। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम शाइनिंग मून। हाउ आर यू शाइनिंग मून? Crypto champion, you're doing good job and beautiful stream. Your voice is so beautiful. God bless you and your family. Thank you so much for the wishes. Same to you, my dear Crypto I. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So Shining Moon ने भी हमें ज्वाइन कर लिया है। Crypto I देखें। Thank you so much Shining Moon for the supporting me and joining my live stream. This is for you, Shining Moon. So now go to the overview. Right. Restaking overview. Solana high performance blockchain architecture has fostered innovative staking mechanisms, enhancing both network security and user capital efficiency. Key components including staking, locking Solana tokens with the validators to secure the networks and earn rewards. Liquidity staking tokens (LST) reverses reversing staking Solana, providing liquidity and enabling participation in DeFi. Restaking recursing staking assets to the secure additional service or the protocol and profiling rewarding liquidity staking token LRT. Revisings of the restaking assets, maintenance liquidity will earning multiple rewards stream. This maximizes collectives, empower user to maximize returns and contribute to the Solana reboost and scalable ecosystem. Thank you so much, Crypto I and Shining Moon. I am good, Shining Moon, and good to see you. Thank you so much. और आपको देख के बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि आप लाइव स्ट्रीम ज्वाइन कर ली है। थैंक यू सो मच। Thank you so much for joining my live stream, Shining Moon. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this time hold, Shining Moon. Staking involves delegating Solana tokens to validators who process transactions and the maintenance of blockchain integrated this process. Enhanced network security and decentralization allow users to earn rewards based on validator performance, and network participation requires a warm up and the cool down period for staking and unstaking operations. So liquidity staking tokens LST. Liquidity staking addresses the liquidity limitations of traditional staking by the issuing LST such as MSOL and G2Sol. When users staking their SOL thought the specialization protocol benefits including immediate liquidity enables user to trade on utilize LST in DeFi application continuous earning of staking rewards without locking up assets. Flexibility of to participate in virgin financial activities with the Solana ecosystem. Thank you so much, Jawad, Checkers, Nano, Midset, Kaya07. Thank you so much for joining my all dear friends. So restaking. Restaking allows user to leverage their staking assets, including LST, to secure additional decentralization service of the protocol. This approach minimize the utility of the staking assets by the earning multiple reward stream, enhance the security of efficiency of the borders ecosystem, support service like Oracle, Bridge, and the other node consensus network NNC. Thank you so much, my dear CryptoY. So CryptoY, क्रिप्टो शाइनिंग स्टार का पता करवाएं वो किधर हैं। क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस भी गायब हैं, शाइनिंग स्टार भी गायब हैं, पता करें किधर हैं। CryptoI, thank you so much. Liquidity staking tokens LRT LRT representing risk-taking assets, combining the benefits of the liquidity and multiplayer rewards accrued by the holding LRT. User can maintain flexibility to trades or utilize tokens in DeFi platforms, earn rewards from both entire staking and additional risk-taking activities, contribute to the security of multiple protocols, celebrities. So staking, my dear friend, thank you so much for joining live stream. So staking, you can see the user staking Sol, unstaking Sol, and Yardley Solana validator networks. Generators Yardley, you can see the graph of Solana staking yards. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. My dear friend, thank you so much for joining live stream. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। सो मेरे दोस्त काफ़ी नज़र नहीं आ रहे हैं, गायब हो गए हैं, पता नहीं किधर बिजी हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। सो थैंक यू सो मच। लगता है गर्मी की वजह से बेहोश हैं। स्टेकिंग और सोलोना involves locking up Solana tokens with the validator to support the network security and decentralization. Validators are responsible for the processing, transaction, maintaining blockchain integrity, and are rewarding in Sol tokens. Users who delegate their Sol to validators earn staking yardly innovatives active participation in securing the network. Liquidity staking tokens LST. You can see the graph of liquidity. Welcome Gate user. Thank you so much for joining Gate user. Users number 1 stake Sol, number 5 redeem LST, number 2 mint LST2 user, number 6 return Sol and Yardley LST maintaining protocol staking Sol, return Sol and Yardley Solana validators names. Welcome Jawad Checker. Thank you so much again, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much for all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Generating Yardley. Solana is taking Yardley. Our liquidity is taking token LST represent. Solana is taking Thought liquidity staking protocol. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much, all of you. Liquidity maintenance. So restaking, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. So this is a restaking user, my dear friends. So you can see the user restaking stock Sol maintenance LST restaking LST validators. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Node Concepts Network direct and slash, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Direct and slash restaking innovators staking and already stake assets. Welcome Shining Star. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Like and LST and EG Gito Solana to secure an additional decanalization service. First introduced by the eager again layer restaking has invalid to the support. Welcome to join my live stream. Support not only liquidity staking tokens LST but also version other token and calculator. This approach enables user to earn additional fees from the new service on top of their stand staking rewards. Thank you so much for joining again and again, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much. So liquidity risk taking token LRT user stakes Sol Ments LST risk taking LST Mint RL LRT utilize LRT validators farming credits TAFI protocols operator LST node cancellation network direct and slasher. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. So, welcome, Crowd Podcast. Thank you so much. Welcome back, Shining Moon. किधर चली गई थी आप? काफी देर से नजर नहीं आ रही. Thank you so much, Crypto Eye. So, Crypto Eye, welcome to join my live stream. आप भी गायब हैं. शाइनिंग स्टार को लेकर पहुंच जाएं जल्दी से. थैंक यू सो मच. शाइनिंग मून आ गई हैं, तो शाइनिंग स्टार को भी आना चाहिए. थैंक यू सो मच, शाइनिंग मून, फॉर द ब्यूटीफुल कमेंट्स. You also doing great job, Shining Moon. So what is the node conservation network? You can see, my dear friends, node conservation network NSC and deconsolidation system composed of the important nodes that's calculated, validates and confirm data thoughts the concerns maximize this network are fundamental to the blockchain technology ensuring data integrity and the trust without the refilling and on a central authority. NSC and can approach versions service including distribute legacy that record transactions across between the node cross-chain bridge protocol flexibility assets transformers between reference blockchain network co-processing network system that affiliates computation tasks to applications nodes interoperability. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much, Crypto Eye, for the flower. Always welcome. Shining Moon, thank you so much. So, blockchain and the Oracle Network Service providing extra data to smart contract on the blockchain server network platform that the distribution problem solving tasks across multiplex nodes by leveraging a distribute consent approach. NSC enhance the security, scalability, and the reliability and decongestions application and service. They enable the creations of the robust infrastructures where trust in establishes collaborative by the network participation rather than a single intelligence entitled. Why NSC matters. NCN address the cold start problem faced by the new decongestion project which involves the challenge of the bootstrapping network security and valuations maximized from the scratch traditional establishing and the dependable validators network request stability requires time and the robust economic backing and CES mitigate this challenge by the providing an moderate and scalable approach to achieve consumers allowing for the difference and the security conditions. Welcome Sukum, welcome Soneria, welcome Scam Stone 79, welcome A double nine triple nine. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome Wolf, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much. Yeah, dear Shining Moon, my dear, welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much, Shining Moon, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of you. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much, Shining Moon. Welcome to all of you, Shining Moon. Beautiful comments. Very nice stream. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. You also good streamer. Thank you so much, Shining Moon, my dear, for joining my live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. So why NSC matters? NCS address the cold start problem focused by the decolonization project, which involves the challenge of the bootstrapping network security of validation, measure from the scratch, traditional established and the validators, and the validate is a challenge providing validator scalable approach to the allowing the more efficient and secure decongestion. Integrations with the risk-taking protocol. Risk-taking protocols such as the Pragmatic integrate with the NCS to provide additional security and the yardly opportunity by the aggregates and the user deposit and the risk-taking them across versions. NSC, this the protocol enhance the economic security of the network while offering user optimized return real world explorers G2 tape routers. G2 has launched the first NCN on the Solana maintenance called the tape routers, designed for security and transparency. Distribute MVF tips to Solana sticker. Thank you so much, CryptoY, for the comments. Thank you so much, my dear Crypto MacBook, to join my live stream to Shining Moon और Crypto MacBook और Crypto I भी मेरी लाइव में ज्वाइन है. Thank you so much. Good work, Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. So G2 has launched the first NCN on the Solana maintenance call tip router designed to securely and transparent distribute MVP MEV tips to Solana sticker privilege management of change by the G2 Labs tip routers. New utilize decanalization networks on the independent node operators with collaborators generated marker routes are representing the accurate distribution of the tip. This route is submit to the on-chain bullets box programs, and once a supermajority consensus is achieved, rewards are distributed accordingly. This decolonization approach ensures fairness, transparency, and the rewards economic security thought the risk-taking of the assets like G2, Solana, and GTO offering additional yearly opportunity for risk-taking. Thank you so much, Chichi staff. Welcome UID. Thank you so much, Gate user, for joining my live stream. Gate user, welcome to join my live stream. Welcome, my dear Gate user. Reward ले लें आप. Thank you so much. Welcome to joining my live stream. So NCS partners. So this is a NCS partner. You can see, my dear friends, NCS partnership. J2 Labs, Deep Router Co-Process Networks, Proxol, Proc JT, J2 Switchboards, Oracle Network, Proxol, Ping Network, Decanalizations, Physical Infrastructure Networks, Deepin, Proxol. DAPI network degeneration, physical infrastructure networks deep in Proxol. So restaking and unstaking. So welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So restaking and unstaking. Minimize yardly thought restaking and the prop assets. Restaking and unstaking. Add to tab you can see the page of restaking and unstaking. So I have tell about the already for the websites. Connect to the wallet format. If you don't have wallet yet, the remind setting one of up to the back with backpack on the protection. You can check the currently support wallet integration in the image below. If you using a hardware wallet like the ledger of making you are the enable the I am using the hardware wallet link. You can see the wallet, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining again and again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Welcome, Crypto Champion. Where is Tabir. Thank you so much, my dear. Welcome to join my live stream. Tabir, welcome. Shining Moon, thank you so much. What is Tabir, my dear? Select the token you wish the stake. Currently, you can select each frog soul or frog J2 in the guide with the will use frog soul and example. Thank you so much. Crypto I and Crypto MacBook and Shining Moon. So you can see the picture of this. Choose assets so the restaking as frog soul. Choose soul LST from the drop down menu. You can see the drop down menu. Token select. Choose account so the restaking as frog soul. Enter the amounts you wish to deposit into the frog soul. Ensure the amount in less than your total balance. You should also keep some soul is your wallets at least 0.01 frog Solana. Rent fees for Frogmetric does not profit this any potential of the rent fee. Thank you so much, Crypto Y. Thank you so much. Welcome, bro. Tabers. Crypto champion, bro. Tabers. Thank you so much. I have no understand. So crypto I shining star किधर हैं? Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you. Thank you so much, bro. Tabers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Click restaking button. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once completes, Frog Soul will appear in your wallet. You can see the picture of this one. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Wait the prompt transaction to be the submitting. Select your wallet. You should be the Frog metric restaking soul in the amounts you choose to restaking. Welcome Nasro. Welcome Gate user. Thank you so much for joining. Enjoy your Frog Soul. You can use Frog Soul Thought, my dear. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. So, why you angry, my dear? Thank you so much for joining. Crypto I, क्या हुआ? Oh, Tubbers, welcome to join my live stream. Okay, okay. Where is Tubber? I understand, my dear. Where is Tubber? Tubber is sewing. I hope Tubber is sewing, my dear. I have understand. Now I am understand Tubbers. Thank you so much, my dear. So Tubber is on the way and surprising you, my dear. Guides, warm and unwarm. Minimize the DeFi utilize of your frog assets view warping. सो आज टप्पर की तरफ मेरी ला अफ्तारी है। वेलकम माय डियर। टप्पर की तरफ आज मेरी अफ्तारी है। क्रिप्टो भाई थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। सो टप्पर की तरफ से आज अफ्तारी की इनविटेशन है। सो आपने भी साथ चलना है अफ्तारी में। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सो मच शाइनिंग मून फॉर द comments. Warp and unwarp. Minimize the DeFi utilize of your frog assets with warming. Warp. How to warp frog soul. So you can see the frog and R warps. So this is a website and URL. You can see the page of. So now go to the next one. Connect wallet to Farmigate's frog metric. If you don't have a wallet yet, be reminded setting up once up with the backpack of Quantum. You can check the currently support wallet integrations in the image blog. If you are using a hardware wallets like Ledger, make sure the enable the I am using a hardware wallet Toggly. So this is a Toggly, my dear. Thank you so much, my dear Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for joining live stream, Crypto Princess. तो अभी क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस आपको ही याद कर रहे थे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम। तो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस ने भी ज्वाइन कर लिया है। सो क्रिप्टो आई क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस भी आ गई हैं। वेलकम। चूज एसेट्स टू वर्क। Choose Frog Soul on Frog G2O from the drop-down menu is the guide we will use Frog Soul as an example. So good morning, Crypto Princess. K-Town, welcome my dear. Thank you so much for joining. So choose accounts of to work. You can see the accounts, enter to the amounts you the wish to work. So war W frog so you can see the war. So click the war button. So if you convert your tokens, you must use the Tappy to earn rewards. Otherwise, we reminding holding frog. So thank you so much. शाइनिंग मून वेलकम बैक. सो शाइनिंग मून भी आ ही जा रही है, लुका छुपी लगी हुई है शाइनिंग मून की भी. थैंक यू सो मच अगेन वेलकम. So click the confirm button confirming the transaction. If your wallet once complete, WFrog Soul wallets appear in your wallet. You can see the wallet. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much. Crypto Princess, thank you so much for joining live stream. So thank you so much, Crypto I, for the comments and joining my live stream. Crypto I, thank you so much for joining live stream. Wait for the transaction to be the submission submitted. Check your wallet and you should be bottom forming it. Pragmatic restaking Solana is amount you are choose the work. You can see the. Thank you so much, my dear Crypto Princess and Crypto I. Explore vision, DeFi staking strategy using your WFrog Soul. You can use Frog Soul with other whitelist DeFi. You can check your whitelist DeFi partners and using in DeFi. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess and Crypto I, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining. Have a good day to Crypto Princess and Crypto I. शाइनिंग स्टार का पता चला कुछ के किधर हैं वो और अभी तक नहीं आ रहे. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम डबल फाइव आई गॉड. वेलकम माय डियर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. सो डबल फाइव I got liquidated again. Thank you so much for joining. So Explorer version DAPI is strategic using a WFrog Soul. You can use the Frog Soul with the whitelist DAPI partners. You can check your whitelist DAPI partners are using on DAPI. So welcome all gate users. So buy and sell. You can see the buy and sell. WFrog assets you can be the purchased by any mainstream SPL tokens. So Jupiter, you can buy and sell WFrog assets. WFrog Soul, WFrog GTO, and Jupiter. The exchange aggregates liquidity across the entire Solana network and suggests the optimal route based on the trade size and token pairs. For additional, Jupiter uses interrogations refers to the link. To produce, visit the sites, connect your wallet, select USDC, Solana, ETC in the selling section, choose WFrog Solana or WFrog GTO in the buying section and click swap to the complete the transaction. So buy and sell Orca. You can buy and sell WFrog assets, WFrog Soul, WFrog Jupiter direct on the Orca from the additional Jupiter using institutional refer to the link to produce. Visit the sites. Thank you so much, Kaya. Welcome all gate user. Thank you so much for joining. It is the selling section. Choose for WFrog Soul and WFrog Soul in the buying section and the clicking swap to the complete transactions. Welcome to all of you, Crypto Princess and Crypto Y. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much. So now go to the सेकेंड वन फ्यूचर ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. सो कैंडी ड्रॉप का प्रोजेक्ट आपको जैसे मैंने बताया है गेट लाइव कैंडी ड्रॉप प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू दे रहा हूँ. सो ये है उसका सेकेंड वन. सो कैंडी ड्रॉप एक्स Frog, Metric, Frog, Trade to Share, 750000 Frog. CandyDrop is the airdrop platform launched by the Gate where user can earn candidates, buy complete tasks and participate in sharing tokens airdrop. The platform is now launching the highly anticipated from the token airdrops events by the completed the following tasks. You can earn candidates and the take part the sharing and the total prize pool and of 750000 frog with the minimum individual share of 4.500 4,500 frog. Details are as follows. Welcome back, Shining Moon. Welcome, Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much for joining live stream. All of you, my dear friends. Future trading price pool 3 lakhs frog. Individual cap 1500 frog. Spot trading rewards pool 3 lakh frog. Individual limited 1500 frog. Alpha trading price pool 1 1,50,000 frog. Individual limited 1,500 frog. Airdrop calculation formula. Individual candy counts. Total candy count of all user price X pool. So even July 1, 2025, 8:40 July 8, 2025, 9 UTC. Participation now. Thank you so much, my dear, for the beautiful comments, Crypto Princess. Ya Allah on the score. There is also ninth Muharram. I pray for the all dear friends. May their swears turn into the easy. May their silence pray by the answer. May their heart be the flags with the lights. Thank you so much for joining my live stream and the beautiful comments, my dear Crypto Princess. थैंक यू सो मच. सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस बहुत शुक्रिया आपका कमेंट्स का. क्रिप्टो मैकबुक थैंक यू सो मच. सेम स्टोन 79 थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. हाउ आर यू माय डियर? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. So participation now, you can click the participation and participation now. So this is the official page. You can see the frog outgoing. Frog metric begins as Solana first native liquidity risk taking protocol as available in the advanced Frog 22 assets management standards. So total price you can see 750.000. Participation is 9.281. Allocated candidates 4.671. Event ends is 2 days 13 hours 36 minutes. So this is the complete task of this, my dear. You can see the R task and join this event, my dear friends. So thank you so much for joining live stream. So this is the FAQ. What is the R requirements to participation in Candy Drop? Using participating in Candy Drop are required to the complete identity verification and click the join button on the event page only, and the successful joining will the activity data by the counted market makers enterprise and the institutes are the not eligible to the participation in this event. So when we candidate with the distribute after the completed task, so candy will be distributed within the 1 to 3 hour after using complete task. Please log in to check the candidates obtained from the candy drops after 3 hours. So this is a terms and condition, my dear friends, for this project. So participation must click the join button on the events and the page. After successful joining the events, complete the event task and in identity verification to the receive rewards. Number second, rewards will be distributed within the 14 working days after the event concluded. Total events rewards are the 750.000 frog. Number 3, block registration of the multiplayer accounts, calculates volume manipulations, was trading self-dealings of the other cheating behaviors and strictly probability multiplayer accounts verification under the same user identity will be considered a single account. Sub accounts are not eligible for the participation. Market makers, business, and the institutions are not eligible for these events. Affiliates accounts and cannot join the referred activities but cannot participation in all other events without resistance. Number 5. In case of the discrepancies between the translation version and the English version shall prevail. Number 6. Get receiver the all final rights for this interpretation for the events. Number 7. From the registration regulation with the unable to user part of the service including the participation, these events, game or concerts for the details, information, recording, restaking regulation. Please refer to user agreements. Number 8. Risk warning. User must bear the mind cryptocurrency trading and the effort by the multiple factors such as market dynamic and the regulatory policy, market prices and the highly valuations and the unpredictable. Please pay the close attention to the market risk and the conditions. So future trading rules, my dear. Price pool rules during the events. User who accumulates the frog future trading volume enter the position place close position 30,000 USD will receive candy rewards and the share are 3 lakh frog price pool. Each user can receive a minimize of the 9 candidates with the individual minimize of the 1500 frog. The reward rules are as follows. Frog trading volume 30,000 1 candy. Frog volume 50,000 USD 3 candies. Frog volume 18,000 USD 5 candies. Spot trading rewards 4 rules during the event. User with the calculate frog spot trading volume buy plus sale 5,000 USD can receive candy rewards sharing a pool price of 3 lakh frog. Each user can receive a minimize of 9 candies and a single individual can receive up to the 1500 rewards. All as follows. Frog volume 5,000 USD and 1 candy. From frog volume 7,000 USD 3 candies and the frog volume 10,000 USD for 5 candies. Alpha trading price pool during the event. Trading frog tokens on the gate with the calculate trading volume buy plus sale 100 USD will be earned candy rewards sharing a prize pool of 150 lakh from the minimum rewards for a single participation prize pool. 150 lakh frog the minimum rewards a single participation in 1500 frog and each user can receive up to the 3 candies. The reward rules are followers. Frog tokens volume 100 USD 1 candies. Frog tokens 200 USD 2 candies. Project introductions. Formigate began a Solana first native liquidity risk-taking protocol evaluates into the advanced Frog 22 asset management stand. The new standard seamless integrate multi-asset deposit process, reward distribution, and the modular yardley scoring, empowering both the developments and the user to effortless access separate TAFI strategy. Token sample frog. Notice. Participants must click the join now button even the after successful during the frog. Welcome to join my. So this is notice I have already tell you my dear friends. So K team join 1st July 1st 2025. Get to crypto. Take action, stay connected, transparency and security. So now third one of this project. Welcome. Thank you so much, Shining Moon. You can also join my live stream for the start to end. Welcome, Shame Stone. Thank you so much. Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. And encouraging. So your streamer are just content their experience. Keep well creating, growing the future bright of you. Thank you so much for the best comments, my dear Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much. And welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome back, Crypto Wise. Sham Stone. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So welcome to all of you, my dearest friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So welcome to join my live stream again and again. Crypto, I thank you so much. So third one, future of this project, GT flexible terms on Bones Frog. Limited times APR up to 15%. So simple and offer an extra bonus up to GT flexible terms and addition to the regular analyzed returns. Enjoy extra frog bonus with the combined APR up to 15%. A total of 2,50,000 frog is up for upgrades first time first serve. So this is a GT flexible 10% 20 GT. Bonus cap. You can see the beautiful bonus cap. Welcome again. Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much. Amos. Don. Thank you so much. So for details, subscriptions, redemptions, integration distributions, and the extra rewards, please refer to the produce subscriptions page. Project introduction. Farmigate begins a Solana first navigate liquidity risk taking protocol and evaluates into the advanced Frog 22 Assets Management Stand. This is the new stand. Shameless integration must-see assets deposit, prices, reward distribution, and the mutual yearly scoring, empowering both developers and the user access the separate DeFi strategy. Please note. So bonus rewarding. Number one, bonus recording are distribute the frog and only available to user who have complete identity verification. If multi-accounts share the same verification, identity rewards will be randomly sent to the one accounts only. Number two, risk warning. Cryptocurrency market are highly valuation and the infrastructure verification factors including policy change. Please evaluate your risk tolerance and the trader responsibility. Number three, this service is unavailable to the user in the UK and other registrations. Refer to user agreement for the details. So number four, gate receiver, the final lights of the interpretations for this event. So gateway to crypto, take action now, stay connect and the transparency and security. So now go to the their ending remarks for this project. So unlocking rules 100%. Gate launch pool allows user to the stake early. You can staking your assets before the project official launching, ensuring your start earning rewards immediately once mining begins. Reward distribution. The system will distribute token rewards to the reward users. Reward accounts vary based on the preparation assets staking by the each user. Gate launch pool FAQ, how to participate, log in your Gate accounts and complete identity verification. Navigate to the launch, hold at least 0.001 BTC and 1 frog. Click stake. Project introduction information for frog metric begins as Solana first native liquidity staking protocol and evaluates into the advanced Frog 22 assets management. Sand is new stand assemblies introduce multi-assets deposit prices, reward distribution, and the modular yardly scoring empowering both the developers, users with the affiliates and the participants DeFi strategy. So this is a website I will show to already my dear friends. Welcome Dark Byte, welcome Algaze user. Thank you so much for joining again and again. Cat Lab Investments Disclosures. Cat Labs this NOS invests in the Frog Metric Frog nodes. So number one, Gate Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where user can staking GT, BTC, ETH, USDT or other USDT tokens to earn early airdrops are hot and new coins with the low entry barriers and highly APRs and the ultimate platform, the effortless capturing complete opportunity. Please complete identity verification before the participating in launch pool and enhancing the security of your accounts and assets. Please adhere to the relevant rule to the events When participating, any cheating behavior is probability and the enhance the any dishonesty will result in the disqualifications of the rewards. When where any discrepancy occurs the between the translation version and English version shall be. Gate receivable all rights to the final explanations. This event is not affiliated with the Apple Inc. user agreements. User in the United Kingdom and other registered location cannot access the service including the participation in the events and components. See the user agreement for the further details on registered location. This warning, number one, the project team does not guarantee that token price will be not be lower than its entire sale price. Please invest with the caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. Number two, the crypto project, it is still in trial state. Factors including their operation and the underlying technology of the project and the where welcome. Thank you so much for joining Darkwit again. Welcome gate user. Advanced technical financial knowledge and the required to the understand and evaluate the increased risk of the crypto investments. The market volatility in the high and the price of the token fluctuated is due to the technical regulator and market factors. So user may not be able to the withdraw and the purchase token due to the technical issue. The project of Gate team gateway to crypto trade over 3,600 cryptocurrency safely and quickly, easily to Gate action on Gate IO. टेक एक्शन नाउ स्टे कनेक्ट एंड द ट्रांसपेरेंसी सिक्योरिटी। सो दोस्तों ये था आज का प्रोजेक्ट जिसके बारे में मैं आपको बता रहा था। गेट लाइव कैंडी ड्रॉप फ्रॉग प्रैग्मेटिक जिसके बारे में मैंने आपको रिव्यू दिया, इसकी वेबसाइट दिखाई मैंने आपको, ब्यूटीफुल वेबसाइट दिखाई मैंने आपको इसकी, और उसके अलावा इसके फ्यूचर दिखाए सारे के जो 3 फ्यूचर हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर। कैंडी ड्रॉप है आपके सामने है, कैंडी ड्रॉप का ये प्रोजेक्ट है। सो वो भी लाजमी था। जीटी फ्लेक्सिबल जो इसका प्रॉफिटेबल है वो भी बताया आपको। सो दोस्तों बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब दोस्तों का आने का लाइव स्ट्रीम में। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। क्रिप्टो मैको, क्रिप्टो वाई, क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, ईबा, shining moon my dear, thank you so much for all of you my dear friend, thank you so much for joining live stream। सैम स्टोन, बहुत अच्छा लगा आप सब दोस्तों से मिलकर। सो कल होगी आपसे मुलाकात न्यू प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। तो तब तक के लिए दीजिए इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़, गुड बाय, गॉड ब्लेस यू, यू एंड योर फैमिली माय डियर ऑल फ्रेंड्स।